This video will introduce item merging and custom fingerprinting, the two most common ways for users to optimize grouping. The rollbar grouping engine has been designed and improved over time to intelligently identify common root causes across a variety of errors. However, in many cases you will need to fine-tune the initial grouping to provide a fully optimized experience that is specific to your team and use case. There are two different problems that can occur with the grouping engine: undergrouping and overgrouping. Undergrouping is when multiple errors should be grouped together but are not. Undergrouping is more common. When in doubt, the engine will leave them as distinct items so that there is no lost signal from two errors mistakenly being assessed as one. That would be overgrouping. Overgrouping is uncommon but can occur by default, and sometimes a specific use case will require separation of items that are being overgrouped. Merging and custom fingerprinting both help to accomplish the same goal, but with different levels of input and customization. Merging is the most convenient way to combine undergrouped items and can help prevent further undergrouping. Custom fingerprinting can be used to solve undergrouping or overgrouping and requires the user to add a JSON rule to their existing rule set. Merging is the fastest way to fix undergrouping. From the Items menu, you can select two or more items in the same project and environment and use the Merge button to combine them into a single item. Rollbar will analyze the merged items and suggest a custom fingerprint if it can identify common elements in the group. This provides a user-friendly way of generating simple custom fingerprints that can be saved for future item grouping. If you accidentally merge items together when they should be separate, you can unmerge them in the Item Details menu. Click on the Member Items tab and select some or all of the items to remove from the grouping. Keep in mind, this is only available for manually merged items and not on items grouped by the default grouping engine. Custom fingerprinting is used when a more specialized approach is needed. By creating rules from scratch or from existing rules being used as templates, the default grouping behavior can be overridden to provide the desired results. Custom fingerprints will be checked in order and will always be evaluated first. If an occurrence matches none of the custom fingerprints, then it will be processed by the default grouping engine. Check out our docs page on grouping for more information about merging and custom fingerprinting.